ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, which uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of text and is able to understand the context of the text it generates. This allows it to generate text that is highly similar to human-written text, making it a useful tool for a wide range of applications, such as chatbots, automated writing tools, and language translation. Additionally, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned on specific tasks and datasets, which allows it to perform specific tasks with a high level of accuracy. ChatGPT, also known as GPT-3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a massive dataset of over 570 gigabytes of text, which allows it to generate highly human-like text. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to continue a given text prompt. This means that it can continue a given sentence or paragraph in a coherent and logical manner. This makes it useful for tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization. ChatGPT also has the ability to understand and generate a variety of different styles of writing, including formal and informal language, technical jargon, and different dialects. It can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks such as creating chatbots, automated writing, and language translation. It is also being used to create new applications such as automated customer service, content creation, and text summarization. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that is capable of understanding and generating human-like text, which makes it a powerful tool for various applications in the field of NLP and AI. ChatGPT works by using a neural network architecture called the transformer, which is trained on a massive dataset of text. The training process involves feeding the model a large number of text examples and adjusting the model's parameters so that it can accurately predict the next word in a given sequence of text. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate text by providing it with a prompt. The prompt is used as input to the model, and the model generates a response by predicting the next word in the sequence. The process is then repeated, with the model's previous predictions being used as input to generate the next word. The model is pre-trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to understand the context and meaning of the text it generates. It uses this knowledge to generate coherent and logical responses that are highly similar to human-written text. Additionally, the model has been fine-tuned on specific tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization, which allows it to perform these tasks with a high level of accuracy. The model also uses a technique called attention mechanism, which allows it to focus on specific parts of the input while generating text. This allows the model to generate more accurate and coherent responses. There are several ways to use ChatGPT, depending on the specific application and the level of integration required. Some of the most common ways to use ChatGPT are using the OpenAI API. This is the easiest and most straightforward way to use ChatGPT. The OpenAI API allows developers to access the model and use it to generate text, perform language translation, and answer questions, among other tasks. All that is needed is an API key, which can be obtained from the OpenAI website. Using pre-built applications, there are a number of pre-built applications that use ChatGPT, such as chatbots, automated writing tools, and language translation services. These applications can be used off the shelf, without the need for any programming or integration. Integrating ChatGPT into existing applications, developers can also integrate ChatGPT into their existing applications by using the OpenAI API or by using the model's weights and architecture to build their own custom model. Training custom models, developers can also fine-tune the pre-trained ChatGPT model on their own specific dataset and task. This allows them to get even better performance on the task they are working on. To use ChatGPT, you need to have some basic knowledge of natural language processing and machine learning. Familiarity with the programming languages like Python is also helpful. It's also important to note that, given the size and complexity of the model, it requires a powerful machine and a lot of computational resources to run. Using ChatGPT can be a complex task, so it is important to have a clear understanding of the specific use case and the desired outcome before getting started. Here are some additional steps that can be taken to use ChatGPT. Define the task. Before using ChatGPT, it is important to clearly define the task you wish to accomplish. This could be anything from generating text to answering questions to performing language translation. Prepare the data. Depending on the task, you may need to prepare a dataset of text that will be used to fine-tune the model. This dataset should be representative of the text that the model will be generating or working with. Access the model. You can access the pre-trained ChatGPT model by using the OpenAI API, or by using pre-built applications. Alternatively, you can use the model's weights and architecture to build your own custom model. Fine-tune the model. Once you have access to the model, you can fine-tune it on your specific task and dataset. This process involves adjusting the model's parameters so that it can perform the desired task with a high level of accuracy. Test the model. After fine-tuning the model, it is important to test it on a set of unseen data to evaluate its performance. This will give you an idea of how well the model is performing and if there is any room for improvement. Deploy the model. Once you are satisfied with the model's performance, you can deploy it in your application. This could involve integrating it into an existing application, using it in a pre-built application, or using the OpenAI API to access the model. To sum up, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text, understand the context of the text and perform specific tasks like answering questions, language translation and text summarization. It can be fine-tuned on specific tasks and datasets, which allows it to perform specific tasks with a high level of accuracy. However, it's important to keep in mind that ChatGPT is not perfect and it has some limitations, like sometimes generate text that is nonsensical or offensive, and it can be biased if the data it is trained on is biased. Additionally, using ChatGPT can be a resource-intensive task, and it requires a powerful machine and a lot of computational resources. It is important to use it responsibly and keep in mind its limitations.